Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your boy, Bisakanyam Bitimbit in Amhlanje, and I'm here with
Prince Ali Khotmanya.
I'm here with the Prince Ali. Tell man, you're looking fresh in Amhlanje. I love the drip. It's telling me that you're creative. So tell me, man, what do you do?
Okay, I'm Khotman, the musician.
Yeah.
And as well a freestyle.
I've seen your freestyle before. I've heard you freestyle before. Some fire freestyles go up, but siyaglowe later yabo. Tell me, namhlanje uphi kwenzeka ndo?
Okay, silapha kulewe Kamholi, Chamsan Ngalonche. Yeah. Excess to support man, material man.
You support a car, you gonna perform anyway?
Nah, ndikhona nje for ubukela bone. Kubelekta hala bantu phina yabo. Yeah.
What's happening?
And the business span, man. Sispan ta.
Kanjani, shout out man. So Prince Ali is an artist and he freestyles a lot. So tell me man, do you think you can drop something yana for me or for the viewers? What's happening? Let's go.
Yeah.
There's no beat, there's no acapella.
Always. Okay. Chonga kule beat ndiya champa engathi ndiyakrampa. Yabona liwe ungafunga imethi because kanifika ndiyayithwaxa. Ise andifuni noxoxa. Esele manika ndiyapoqa. Yabona lo mjita ugcwele isauce ndemera feel like I'm sauce.
Let's go.
Ishana kakhulu nendawo ezitsolo ungafunga ndinxibe neoster. Ngayeke futhi.
Let's go. That's too much. Prince Ali. Damn bro, shout out to you bro. Thank you for your time. Appreciate you guys. Have a great time and enjoy yourself.